Hello there, my friends. Hey, if you over 60 and sometimes feel like your energy or mobility isn't quite what it used to be, you are not alone. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to share a simple science-backed addition you can make to your morning coffee that could help you move easier, feel lighter, and even strengthen your muscles and joints, helping you walk like you're 40 again. We'll also uncover the common everyday foods that silently damage your aging body and what to eat instead, so you can keep your joints, heart, and energy levels strong. So grab your coffee cup, sit back, and let's dive into it together. Most of us start the day with a warm cup of coffee. What if I told you that with one simple addition, that same cup could become a powerful anti-aging drink? I'm talking about collagen powder, a simple, flavorless protein that can truly make a difference for adults over 60. Collagen is like the glue that holds your body together. It's found in your skin, joints, muscles, and bones. But as we age, starting around 40, our natural collagen production drops every single year. By 60, it can be less than half of what it was in our youth. This loss of collagen is one of the main reasons many older adults notice things like stiff joints in the morning, sagging skin or wrinkles, slower muscle recovery, or that overall feeling of losing strength. But here's the exciting part. Several studies showed that supplementing with collagen, especially hydrolyzed collagen peptides, can actually support joint health, reduce stiffness, and improve walking ability in older adults. For example, a 2019 clinical trial published in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture found that seniors who took daily collagen peptides for 6 months showed significant improvement in mobility and less joint pain compared to those who didn't. And the easiest way to take it? Just stir 1 scoop, about 10 grams of collagen powder, into your morning coffee. It dissolves easily, has no taste, and pairs perfectly with your daily routine. Over time, this small daily habit can make a big difference, not just for your joints, but also for your skin, nails, and even digestion. You might be wondering, how can a simple protein powder make me feel like I'm walking younger again? Here's how it works. When collagen enters your body, it breaks down into amino acids, tiny building blocks like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Your body uses these to repair and rebuild cartilage and connective tissue. Think of your joints like hinges on a door. Over time, they start to dry and squeak. Collagen helps lubricate and rebuild those hinges, so your knees, hips, and ankles move more smoothly again. It can also help protect your bones from thinning and support your muscles, making it easier to stay active and independent. And when combined with a bit of daily movement like walking, stretching, or light resistance exercise, the benefits grow even stronger. Imagine getting up from your chair without stiffness, walking down the stairs comfortably, or enjoying your daily walk without that familiar ache. That's what adding collagen can do when you use it consistently. Now, while adding collagen can do wonders, it's equally important to remove the foods that secretly undo your hard work. Many seniors unknowingly eat foods every day that increase inflammation, weaken muscles, and accelerate joint wear and tear. Let's look at a few of the biggest culprits. 1. Processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. These are packed with advanced glycation end products, or GEs, which cause inflammation in your tissues and joints. Over time, this leads to stiffness and pain. 2. Sugary snacks and drinks. Sugar spikes insulin, which increases inflammation and can damage the collagen you're trying to build. It's like adding rust to your body's inner framework. 3. Refined vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil. These oils are high in omega-6 fats, which in excess trigger chronic inflammation. That's why replacing them with olive oil or avocado oil can help soothe your joints naturally. For white bread and refined carbs, they break down quickly into sugar, which fuels the same inflammatory cycle. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, or barley are far better choices for joint and muscle health. Finally, one sneaky one. 5. Artificial sweeteners. While they seem harmless, studies suggest they can disrupt your gut bacteria, which affects your immune and inflammatory response, something especially important as we age. So if you truly want your collagen coffee to work its magic, you've got to feed your body with foods that help it heal, not those that hold it back. All right, my friends, now that we know what to avoid, let us talk about what to add to your meals to truly rebuild strength from the inside out. When you're over 60, every bite you eat either helps you age better or faster. So, let's focus on foods that feed your collagen, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints, muscles, and bones flexible and strong. Here are the top foods you should add to your plate. 1. Bone broth, nature's original collagen. Drink before collagen powders existed, there was bone broth. Simmered slowly from bones and connective tissues, it's rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, the same ones your joints crave. Try sipping a cup of warm bone broth in the afternoon, or adding it to soups and stews. It's deeply nourishing and easy to digest, perfect for aging digestive systems. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and lubricate your joints. Omega-3 South also help protect the collagen you already have from breaking down too quickly. Just 2 servings a week can make a noticeable difference in stiffness and joint comfort. 3. Vitamin C-rich foods, citrus, berries, and bell peppers. Your body can't make collagen without vitamin C. It's the spark that activates collagen production. So try starting your morning with half a grapefruit, a handful of strawberries, or adding some red bell pepper slices to your lunch salad. These small habits feed your skin and joints at the same time. 4. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens contain antioxidants and a compound called chlorophyll, which may help your body produce more collagen naturally. They also provide magnesium, a mineral many older adults lack, that helps relax muscles and supports bone density. 5. Eggs and lean protein. Egg whites, chicken or lentils, give you amino acids that help form new collagen and muscle tissue. Without enough protein, even the best collagen supplement can't do its job properly. So aim for at least 20 to 25 grams of protein per meal, whether it's eggs at breakfast or grilled chicken at dinner. Think of your meals as your daily repair kit. Every cup of bone broth, every piece of salmon, every serving of greens, they're all helping to rebuild the foundation of your body. Now I want to give you something simple and practical, something you can start this week. It's what I call the Collagen Coffee Plus 7-Day Mobility Boost Plan. It's not a diet. It's just a few small daily habits that work together to make your body feel stronger, lighter, and more flexible, one day at a time. Here's how it looks. Morning, start your day. Stir 1 scoop of collagen peptides into your morning coffee or tea. Add a dash of cinnamon. It helps balance blood sugar and has anti-inflammatory effects. Eat a small serving of protein within 30 minutes of waking, like eggs or Greek yogurt, to activate muscle recovery. Midday, keep moving. Go for a 10 to 15 minute walk after lunch. Movement helps your joints absorb nutrients and stay lubricated. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can make joints feel stiff. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Evening, repair and recover. Eat an anti-inflammatory dinner like grilled salmon, steamed greens, and quinoa. If you enjoy a warm drink before bed, sip a small cup of bone broth or chamomile tea to support relaxation and healing. Repeat this simple routine for 7 days and pay attention to how you feel, especially your knees, hips, and back. Many people notice better flexibility, reduced morning stiffness, and a bit more spring in their step after just a week or 2. Remember, it's not about reversing time. It's about rebuilding your vitality with the choices you make today. Your body is constantly renewing itself. You just have to give it the right tools. Now that you know what helps your body rebuild collagen, it's just as important to understand what destroys it, often without you realizing. Even the best diet or supplement can do much if these daily habits are quietly undoing your progress. Let's take a look at the most common collagen destroyers, and how to protect yourself starting today. 1. Too much sugar. Sugar binds with collagen in your skin and joints, creating what scientists call age's advanced glycation end products. Think of it like burning toast. Once it's overcooked, you can't unburn it. That's what excess sugar does inside your body. It burns your collagen, making it stiff and less elastic. Try swapping sugary desserts for fresh fruit or dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. 2. Sitting too long. Yes, sitting can actually reduce blood flow to your joints and slow collagen repair. If you're watching TV or sitting at the computer, stand up and stretch every 30 minutes. Even small movements help deliver oxygen and nutrients to your tissues. Simple ankle rotation, shoulder roll, or standing stretch every half hour can make a big difference. 3. Poor sleep. Collagen production happens mainly while you sleep. That's when your body repairs itself. If you're getting less than 7 hours of quality rest, your repair cycle never finishes. You may wake up stiff, sore, or tired. Create a calming bedtime routine, dim the lights, sip chamomile tea, and keep your phone away for 30 minutes before bed. Your collagen and your energy will thank you. 4. Smoking or excess alcohol both release free radicals that damage collagen fibers. Even social smoking or daily drinking adds up. If you've struggled with quitting, focus on adding, not subtracting. Replace a glass of wine with sparkling water and fruit slices. Over time, your body will reward you with stronger skin, joints, and better sleep. 5. Chronic stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen and muscle tissue. Gentle breathing, meditation, or just a 10-minute quiet walk can lower cortisol levels and keep your body in repair mode instead of breakdown mode. These habits may seem small, but combined, they make a huge difference. When you reduce sugar, move more, sleep better, and manage stress, your collagen levels naturally stay stronger, and so does your body. Now let us talk about the fun part, the anti-aging power foods that can help you look and feel younger from the inside out. If you're over 60, adding these foods regularly can support your skin elasticity, joint comfort, and even your brain and heart health. 1. Blueberries. The tiny antioxidant powerhouses packed with anthocyanins. These protect collagen from free radical damage. They also support memory and circulation. Try adding a handful to your morning oats or yogurt. 2. Avocados. Healthy fats for smooth skin and joints. The monounsaturated fats in avocado nourish your skin and joints while reducing inflammation. Half an avocado a day is a simple way to stay vibrant and flexible. 3. Garlic. The collagen protector garlic is rich in sulfur, which your body needs to synthesize and preserve collagen. It also supports healthy blood pressure and immunity. Try sautéing it with olive oil for a heart-friendly boost. 4. Tomatoes. Nature's sunblock tomatoes contain lycopene, which helps protect your skin from sun damage and keeps collagen from breaking down. Cooking them in olive oil boosts absorption, so tomato soup or pasta sauce can actually be anti-aging. 5. Green tea. Liquid youth in a cup. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that protect collagen and keep your skin firm. Drinking 1 or 2 cups daily may even reduce wrinkles over time. Host smiling voice. These aren't tea exotic or expensive superfoods. They everyday foods that quietly strengthen your body from the inside out. So next time you plan your meals, remember this. Every time you choose color, freshness, and whole foods, you're choosing longevity. Let us tie it all together with something easy to remember. I call it the 3C rule. If you want to stay mobile, strong, and youthful after 60, just remember these 3 words. 1. Collagen. Nourish your joints daily with collagen peptides or bone broth. 2. Clean eating. Cut out the inflammation, triggering foods, and focus on real, colorful meals. 3. Consistency. It's not what you do once in a while, but what you do every day that matters. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. Even small changes like adding collagen to your coffee, swapping sugar for fruit, or walking 10 minutes a day can transform how you feel within weeks. My friends, aging isn't about losing youth. It's about gaining wisdom while keeping your strength. Your body still has an incredible ability to rebuild itself. You just have to give it the right support. So go ahead, start tomorrow morning with your collagen coffee. Enjoy a colorful plate, move a little, and smile, knowing you're investing in your best years ahead.